How to enable Face ID on OKX app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using your iPhone and you want to enable the Face ID, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the OKX application on your device. Once you're inside the home page of OKX after logged in, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu appearing on the screen, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now you'll open up User Center. Go to the top of the screen and tap on Security. Inside Security, scroll down and click on App Lock. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to Face ID and select the auto log time from the menu. I'm just gonna select immediately over here. Now whenever you open up your OKX app, you'll need to allow this pop up and your Face ID will be scanned in order to access your account just like that. Make sure that your Face ID is already set up on your iPhone or this won't work. Once verified, the Face ID will be activated for logging into the app, quick security confirmations, etc. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.